Alright, let's talk about the viral V-shape contour hack that's been absolutely everywhere on social media lately. You know the one, where people promise you can sculpt your jawline and cheekbones in minutes, all with a few swipes of product and a little bit of blending wizardry. But here's the real question. Does it actually live up to the hype, or is it just another beauty myth? So, I decided to put this hack to the test, and honestly, the process is way simpler than it looks. All you need is a contour stick, a highlighter, a damp beauty sponge, and a brush. The method is kind of wild. You're supposed to draw these sharp lines along your jaw, under your cheekbones, and around your hairline, then blend everything out until you look like you've just stepped out of a YouTube tutorial. The first time I tried it, I'll be real, I looked more like I was auditioning for a low-budget theater production than serving snatched supermodel vibes. But once I got the hang of blending, things started to make sense. The trick is to use a light hand and work in layers. If you go too heavy, you risk looking muddy or patchy. And trust me, that is not the look we're going for. Now, let's talk results. Did my face transform into an instant V-shape? Well, sort of. The hack does create the illusion of a slimmer, more sculpted jawline, especially on camera or under good lighting. It's all about creating shadows and highlights that fool the eye, and honestly, it's pretty clever. But, and this is a big but, don't expect miracles. If you're hoping for jaw surgery level results, this isn't going to do it. And in real life, under natural light, the effect is definitely more subtle. Plus, for anyone with sensitive skin or acne, layering on heavy makeup every day might not be the best idea. Still, I get why this hack went viral. It's super satisfying to watch, it's fun to try, and when you nail it, it really does boost your confidence. My best advice? Practice. Blend like your life depends on it, and don't be afraid to tweak the technique to suit your own face shape. So, does the viral V-shape contour hack live up to the hype? For quick photos, TikToks, or a night out, absolutely. For a permanent fix? Not so much. But honestly, that's kind of the fun of makeup. It's all about playing around and finding what works for you. Thanks for hanging out with me and diving into another viral beauty trend. If you've tried this hack yourself, let me know how it went in the comments. And if there's another hack you want to see busted, drop it below. Catch you next time.
If you hate nose contour, draw a V in these 3 areas